Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American muscle history, and for 2025 it's back in an absolutely ferocious form. The Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 is a car that doesn't just wear a badge, it carries the entire weight of decades of performance heritage, and Chevy has gone all out to make this one stand out in a modern performance landscape that's shifting rapidly. Right from the moment you see it, the front end sets the tone. The car sits low and wide, with a stance that's all aggression. The massive grille is designed not just for looks but for optimal airflow, feeding the monstrous powerplant under the hood. Slim LED headlights wrap around with a sharp, menacing look, while the sculpted hood with functional vents tells you this car is built for serious track performance. The front splitter, combined with the aerodynamic details, gives it a race-ready feel that separates it from the standard Camaro lineup. Moving around to the side, the profile is pure muscle car with modern refinement. Long, flowing body lines emphasize the rear-wheel drive proportions, while the flared fenders hint at the wide stance and massive tires tucked underneath. Lightweight wheels, designed to cut down on rotational mass, add both style and performance. You also can't miss the lowered suspension and aggressive side skirts, which keep the car planted during high-speed runs. Every detail here screams function meeting form, and Chevrolet clearly wanted this to look as intimidating parked as it does flying down a drag strip. At the back, the car continues to impress with its bold, squared-off taillights that nod to tradition while feeling futuristic. The massive rear wing is not just cosmetic, it's tuned for downforce at speed, helping keep this beast steady under extreme acceleration. Quad exhaust tips sit wide apart, offering not just visual impact but also a promise of the earth-shaking soundtrack this ZL1 produces. The diffuser underneath ties it all together, reminding you this is a car engineered with track dominance in mind. Inside, the story is all about blending functionality with stripped-back racing intentions. Unlike a luxury Grand Tourer, the COPO ZL1 is built for purpose. The cabin features deeply bolstered sport seats that hold you tight during aggressive maneuvers, lightweight trim pieces that shed unnecessary weight, and a driver-focused layout where every control is within quick reach. A flat-bottomed steering wheel wrapped in suede gives you excellent grip, and while technology is still present with Chevrolet's digital display and infotainment, the emphasis remains firmly on performance data. Things like G-force readings, lap timers, and telemetry are front and center. This is a cockpit designed for drivers who want every ounce of information while pushing the car to its limits. Under the hood lies the soul of the COPO ZL1, and it's where things get truly wild. Chevrolet has fitted this machine with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine capable of delivering blistering horsepower figures that push past the 650 mark, and in certain configurations, even higher. Power delivery is immediate, brutal, and addictive, designed to make this Camaro dominate quarter-mile times. The transmission is tuned for rapid shifts, whether you're running on an automatic built for drag racing or opting for a more traditional manual experience. The suspension system is stiffened for maximum control, and the braking system is upgraded to match the performance, ensuring you can haul it down from insane speeds with confidence. This car is unapologetically loud, raw, and visceral, the kind of machine that exists to thrill rather than coddle. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 doesn't come cheap, but then again, neither does performance of this caliber. With limited production numbers and exclusivity built into its DNA, it's a car aimed at enthusiasts who know exactly what they're getting. Pricing is expected to land well above the standard ZL1 models, placing it firmly in collector and serious racer territory. And because of its drag strip roots and unique COPO program history, its value is likely to hold strong among enthusiasts for years to come. As for suggestions, this car isn't for everyone. If you're looking for daily comfort, long commutes, or a balanced all-around vehicle, there are better options. But if your heart beats faster at the sound of a supercharged V8 roaring to life, if you crave exclusivity, and if performance numbers matter more than luxury, then the COPO ZL1 is absolutely worth considering. It's a machine that stays true to the Camaro spirit while pushing the boundaries of what modern muscle cars can achieve. In closing, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 is a car that doesn't compromise. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it's unapologetically American muscle at its finest. From the menacing exterior to the stripped-down but purposeful interior, from the insane powertrain to the exclusivity of the COPO program, it represents a pinnacle for Camaro enthusiasts and collectors alike. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience, 1/4 mile at a time,